The idea of nuclear power was first discovered when scientist Enrico Fermi discovered that neutrons could split atoms. German scientists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann shot neutrons at uranium atoms and discovered that a significant amount of energy was being released. They observed the splitting of atoms through fission.
So nuclear power is efficient, it's clean, and that's why people like it. Nuclear power plants don't burn fuel, so they don't produce greenhouse gases. Nuclear energy is caused from the splitting of uranium atoms, which is fission. Fission products cause other uranium atoms to split, starting a chain reaction which eventually makes an explosion. Fusion occurs when two or more atoms are conjoined together to make a bigger atom. Chernobyl is an example of a fission reaction because it was a nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine. A failed safety led to 2 explosions, a fire that lasted a week, and with radioactive material that was let out. Radiation leads to long-term health effects like cancer, skin burns, radiation sickness, and cardiovascular disease.
Nuclear power is used in many of our everyday lives, from dealing with food to scientific research. In different parts of the world, farmers use radiation to lessen reproduction of harmful insects. Nuclear power is also used in the medical field and has been very beneficial. Doctors have found a way to predict the amount of radiation needed to kill cancer tumors. Professionals also use a specific form of nuclear power called gamma rays to sterilize medical equipment. Another example of how nuclear power can be used is when dealing with water desalination. Many countries all over the world have no access to water due to it being unsafe. Nuclear power facilities have the ability to provide the amount of energy that is needed for desalination plants to provide fresh drinking water to the public.